How to take a delayed photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the icon as shown. From the options, tap on the timer icon. You can now choose the timer duration from here. For example, 3 seconds. After that, go back and tap on the capture button below to take a picture. As you can see, the camera will wait 3 seconds before taking the picture. The camera's self-timer lamp will typically blink and a beep sound will usually be emitted before the picture is taken. Now, go to Media at the bottom left to view the picture you just took. Following these steps, you can easily take a delayed photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.